What's up, what's up? What's up mga pre? What's down? This video how to load garena cells. First thing you have to do is open the garena. You must log in. Then wait for a while. You must click these shells. Then League of Legends. Then 50 pesos. Sa mga mura lang. Kung gusto mo 1,000, edi mayaman ka. Just click the, if you want to selected all the list of prices, just click the proceed. Then if you have to get this, the gamer is not available. Take note, this service is currently not available to postpaid users. Kaya di natin dapat nagme-message sila daw, announcement sila if once this is come back what. Then we just click the garena PPC, wait for the code, then we have to minimize. You have to access the internet. You must type in the user browser code as shop, then LOL, press enter. This one in the Philippines, League of Legends shell voucher. Just click this one, then you have to select this one, whatever have select this price. Yung presyo naman yan. And you must fill up this email address, any kind of email address. Buy now, then you enter the number, mobile number. Just type your mobile number, 09 cloud9. Then press proceed the continue. Just click the confirm. Thank you for your purchasing. Then we have to open this one, copy the passcode, that back to green cells, then click paste here the code, then confirm. Then you have 20 green cells, then click back. May 20 cells ka na, click mo League of Legends, then click the RP of Legends, then proceed payment. You have RP 108, then congratulations! Nanalo ka ng 20 million. Then click the League of Legends, and then you must locate first. Then tagal mo dahil loading ka pa, naglo-loading ka pa ha. 10, counting ka, 10, 5, susumugit sa amin. Yan guys, meron na akong 194. Ito po yung account ko, level 52. Oh, come on. Kaya pumili ka ng gusto mong bilhin. Nasa iyo na yan. Kung gusto mong skin, ayan, thank you very much guys. Sana makatulong ako sa inyo. Uh, See you for the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Good night. Good night pa more.